All right, so right now we're just going to talk about standard form. Standard form means you put the highest exponent first. So the highest exponent in this polynomial is a 5, so that will go first. The next highest exponent is this one, so that will go next. The next highest is the squared term, so that will go next. Next is the linear term, and then your constant. So this is what it means to put your polynomial in standard form. Standard form means the highest exponent first. Highest exponent first, down to the smallest. You go in descending order. High to low, descending order. Highest exponent to the lowest exponent, okay? That's standard form. Now let's talk about naming these polynomials. So if you have a 0 degree, that is called a constant. First degree, that is called a linear. So an example could be 3x. Constant is just a number, like 18. Second degree, we call that a quadratic. And here's an example. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. This is a quadratic. The highest degree is a 2. For linear, the highest degree is a 1. They just never write the 1, but it's there, okay? Do you guys know what we call a degree 3 polynomial? Yep, cubic. And here's an example, x cubed plus 4. This is a cubic. The highest degree is a cubed, is a 3. For fourth degree, I like to call it just fourth degree polynomial. For 4 and onward, I just like to call it by the number. So this is a 5th degree polynomial. However, if you want to get technical, 4th degree, we call it a quartic. And a 5th degree, we call it a quintic. Okay, quartic and quintic. That is the technical name. Okay, now let's talk about the number of terms. We talked about this yesterday. If I only have one term, what is that called? Monomial. Exactly, monomial. How about 2 terms?
Binomial.
Binomial. 3 terms?
Trinomial.
Trinomial. And more than 4 or more?
I don't know.
Polynomial. Poly means more than one. Or poly means many. Poly means many. Okay, so that is how that's how we're going to classify our polynomials. So let's say, for example, I have 24x plus 3x. What is the degree? What do we call this?
20.
A quadratic, because the highest degree is a 2. And how many terms?
Trinomial.
So this is a quadratic trinomial. Okay, let me do another example. What if I just have the number 24? What is this called?
Constant.
A constant.
Monomial.
Monomial, exactly. A constant monomial. So I'm going to have you guys practice identifying or classifying the different polynomials. And you have several examples on your table.